Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share with you one beautiful exercise. If you do so, your finger movement on ma and pa will be changed. Will be drastically improved. Okay? If you practice this, all of us getting struggle in ma and pa. Okay, when I'm saying ga ma pa and pa ma ga, we all will feel difficulties. This video I have already posted. Again, there is there I will show you a different exercise on ga ma pa and ma pa. But today I'm presenting you one beautiful exercise. If you do so, your blowing on ga and ma and pa will be distinctly changed. Okay, you need to practice this. Okay, I will share with you the notations. Let me play this first. Ma pa pa ma ga ma pa ga ma pa ma ga ma pa ma ga. Here, if you notice, I am prominently saying the first note of these swaras. Distinctly, I am presenting the first note. So, if I am not doing so, it is a flat. See, I am not changing this. You cannot able to understand it. Okay, so when you are pressing the ga, little blow, not so deep. If you so play deep blow, it will sound. Means I'm every notes I'm sounding it. No, that is not. Halka. And when you go ma pa, do not cut your blow. Let the blow and then close your finger. It will automatically come. When you say ma pa, do not cut. Pa, you will blow pa ma. Ga ma ma pa pa ma ga. I'm playing ma pa pa ma. Ma pa I'm not closing my lips. Pa I'm closing. Now I'm pressing also pa. That is also separate. That is also different tone. But I'm saying ma pa ma a no cut cut. First go slow. Now go. Gama ma pa ma ga. That's it. Please do practice this, and if you are facing any difficulties, please let me know. Okay. See you in another video. All the best. See you. Bye bye.